Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record and transcribe a meeting in Goodnotes in 2026. If you want to record and transcribe a meeting directly in Goodnotes, this feature can completely change how you take notes, so let's see how it works. Now, before we start, a quick guide on how to download the application. You can go to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're going to see Goodnotes. Consider upgrading to a premium version because it's very helpful and it has a lot of plus features. In the free feature, you can only have and create 3 documents, but in the premium features, you can create multiple ones. Now let's create our documents. We're going to open Goodnotes and create a new note by clicking on New. Then you're going to click on Notebook right here, or a quick note. You're going to select this feature right here. Then you're going to look for the audio recording feature in the toolbar. As you can see, there is an audio. You're going to click on the record and summarize or show recording. Here, you're going to record and summarize. You're going to click on this option right here. And as the meeting continues, you can write notes alongside the recording. And once finished, you can stop the recording and use the transcript or AI to convert audio into text if available. Now, you're going to make sure to record in a quiet environment for better accuracy and combine audio with written notes and review transcription for errors. For example, you're going to write something in notes about this. Be sure to choose like how to write. You're going to choose this to write text, and then you're going to see your keyboard. For example, let's display the keyboard, or you can even write handwritten text. For example, let's write text. This is a handwritten text, and you can select it by the lasso like this. You're going to select the writing. Then you can use the AI feature like this and start a conversation with AI by clicking on this icon right here. As you can see in the left corner, it's displayed a conversation with AI. Now, recording and transcribing meetings in Goodnotes help you never miss important details. Use this feature to stay organized and productive. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.